Sorry,
How
ma.
did you do this? Oh yeah, Amelia. Mariah used to like me since first grade and second grade. The hell? And I didn't even know it.
I would have done it.
No, since third grade. Mariah used
Since
to.
third-
No, since third grade. I know. Wait. Why did you say since third grade? When we're legit in third grade. You know, the first day of school when Mariah saw Drew, Mariah, in second grade, right? You were in which class? Miss Jones. And then, do you know this kid, Henry?
Có là hết rồi, quả khăn này kia.
Oh yeah, bro, he's so annoying. When we were playing Heads Up 7, he was not up there in this. No, but he doesn't even believe in technology, bro. When we had it, bro, stop. No, bro, let me finish my. Wait, let me finish my sentence. So when he was up there, and he put his head up, he touched my thumb, and then I had to do this, and when I fucking, ew, why did you let him touch my foot? And I stand up, and there was 8 people. Hey, and then, so, bro, when we try to do like presents, right? Santana and the other girl, Santana was presenting like a food, right? But that can fly. Henry said, in the night, like he said, like in the 90s, we didn't have technology, bro. He said we didn't even have it. I said this is the future. The future is 2000. Yeah. Bro, that ain't the future though. Bro, that's freaking the past. I know, bro, the future is freaking 2030 something. Bro, it's his judge not. His brain is 1 IQ. Bro, he's living the 90s, no lies. Bro, he's living the 90s. He doesn't even have a phone. Bro, his brain is literally 1 negative. Is he annoying though? Did he talk a lot? Not that much. But did he like talk when the teacher is like talking about like something else and did he not raise his hand and talk right away? Oh no! He is annoying. I do not want him in my class anymore, bro. He's in your class? Yes, bro. He's so annoying. Remember Amelia? Oh, damn. But she's and she's a snitch. Bro, when I so I said ask see she told the teacher and she said Johnson ask. Did you say ask? Ask. And she told the teacher and then she said Johnson the ASS. Oh, that girl. She can't hear that well, and she need medication, and she looked like a chimpanzee. She must go to. Oh yeah, even Demetrius is black. He's racist. Demetrius is racist because in second grade me and Blake and Max were mostly. Oh no! The closing kid. What you doing? What's this go on, bro? Medication. If anyone named Henry but goes to Lakeland, hell no. Legit needs medication. Legit needs medication right away. Even his IQ is 1 negative. Bro, legit, he's living in the 90s. Bro, legit, he was so angry when we were in Miss chemistry class. we were like doing like a job where we sell pets. He said, no, this is like a scammer and stuff. When you see in TV, bro, he also trusts everything on TV. Bro. He trusts everything on TV. You fix this. Fix this.
ตัวหน้า
Sorry, bro.
อันนั้นก็ย่อมีเพลย์มีอุปกรณ์แล้วมันนี่นั่นควาเดีย
Oh no! Come on.
เดินหน้า
What
เรา
am
เนี่ย
I gonna do?
ห
No.
น้า
You didn't
ก็
fix
มี
it.
ดอกกันดอกควายควาย
Look, yeah. No, what you doing?
जाने के माचे बात की बात ना तमिल का खाना ले रही किलो वाले बात
Hide it. Hide it. She literally put her mouth in it.
मैं तो नहीं तुमยังไงอยู่ मुझे तो अन्य
Gillian said Tana's gonna give Mariah a present. Oh yeah, I already knew that. What's the gift? He didn't tell me yet, but he said he'll tell me soon.
तेरे उम्मीद लाओ बोल दे
Or he said not.
Kwa de kwa la
Yeah, that's what
ya
he said.
le go ko
But he told me not to spread it around.
तो पकड़ने ने कोई
I
नहीं
can't tell
नहीं
anybody.
चला
So you just told me I'm your best friend. But he didn't tell
वो
me.
ना कि तुमने बुक लो
I already said that. Did you hear that? Oh, do you know the word?
तो है चुनाव कर दिया चुनाव ले
The
लिया
bad word thief?
चुनाव ले लें
The word Israel or Palestine?
पाकिस्तान लगा
Why? Give me a reason. I don't know. I don't freaking know. I don't know. Watch the word.
วางอย่างนั้นจะมี
No! 1, 2, 3. No! You see? Do you know religion? Bro, go get the cards. I want to play 4 kings. You used to say 4 coins.
นะว่าช่วยบางที่ดับแล้วล่ะ
तब
ตะกี้อะไรคือ
तब से आज घर का पसंददार करना
เอาไม่เลยเรื่องมันเล่าเลยนะต้องขอมา
Kings!
คนนั้น
ใช่อะไร
है लेकिन हम बुक ले गए कटू ना
อันนี้
What
ดู
the
ได้
hell? Oh my god, the way.
तेन ओ ओके आ सका
ก็เซ่
ना फाटो पड़
Kiki.
อันด้วยชิ้นนี้
और दो दीवार में चल को
อาชีพอะไรไอ้เหี้ยคุณนี่คนนี้
तो मैं सोलो का ही सारा चमुल्ला के कोना रे के तागो चटलो
พอได้เหรอนี่เลยนี่เหรอ
चमुल्ला वाले के की पाले को मैं तेने मैं तेरो पा ताए ताकरी में ओला ही पू शिदोले ताक
Cái má ra mày kìa.
Bro, I thought we were gonna play Skibidi Toilet. Why?
เป็นมือมาชิ้นมาข้างเด็กเลย
We're gonna do some clapping in the bathroom.
मैं बाबा रे पर ने को पास शॉट छोटा मारना
Tao mà lên đi xin này.
कुत्ता बा ये किलो स्पेशल वाले तो
Đi cả hàng nó cặp ở đâu.
I am joking.
nó có bao giờ bảo hành tỏi
I am joking.
tin dan sama kata di sana apa jenis apa jenis kita tadi kini tahu
No. When you said,
Tao làm việc gì.
you said it to the camera out loud. Oh no.
maka jenis salah satu tu jadi kini kau itu kalau tu kena baik lah kalau salah tu balap
How did you know?
Ok mà hả đó. Rồi. Cái giờ show là mua tôi là tao có mà.
Oh yeah, Gillian.
Cái mà mình đi. Rồi bự là làm. Rồi mày cái sao đó. 빨리 말하네. 후단에 가고 있는 게.
오기도 라네. 할로 왜?
레벨.
할레스 파.
레말레스 봐.
하도 따가 따가. 앞으로 낚시 바리 지금 많이 키가네 바리 지금 하나 나그때 자라.
할게 많이.
다 우리 반에 탑과
아,
탑과 우리 반에 어디 뒤에 보.
이 자원에 이빨 담아 키워.
갔다 줘.
Yeah.
거기 다 우리냐 왜 아참.
그거는 해 리모리 뭐 뒤에 커는.
맞춰.
Yes, it is. Bro, grow. I mean, antenna.
volunteer 문제 바고 바고 그래.
He's a billionaire, bro. Yes. Yes. Sure. Actually, he's a millionaire. I can tell you. Sure.
그거 돈이 많아.
아 또니 따라 걸래 꼴하면 나라 됐다 와가 비나지.
On God.
밑에 봐.
Bro, ain't no way.
그건
I'm
아니지.
too fortunate.
우리 비니라.
원래 과.
나 잡고 고려.
Bro, what's the other card? Do you want to play speed?
어, 딸래.
What? Speed.
로건 따기다 봐오.
Bro, you remember the cards what I bought from Family Dollar?
매우 배 가지고 빨리 오고 야.
Family Dollar? Come on, look at the card.
아, 서다.
Bryson
근데 쩌냐라 하는데
these cards, but he doesn't. Look, he does.
따가 뭐 거리를 나게.
He does like this.
다 해보자.
This is so cool.
아마 다 가고는 말라.
다 하고 있지 않고 막 하고 있지 않고. 안때는 거 빠반 쳐라가 그 벤.
빠바요.
쳐라고 빠 벤. 아무도 플라나 거하니. 그래 따가 막.
다 가고 그래.
그런 딸이 빠져.
그냐로 그냐 그라.
마상이야.
Maybe tell me. The East Side line.
가고.
It's just a joke.
쳐라. 에이, 길이야. 레이를 뭐. 쳐라.
아, 너무 너무.
쳐라 뭐 쳐라 파와. 아니 쟤네.
이거 뭐 이거 다.
과연.
먹고 막 해래. 또 오래 가고.
따가 머리 뭐 이제 뭐.
Oh my God.
얼른 미나.
That is not close.
이렇게 보면 잘래. 이거 봤어. 아와 바갈래 해피케. 해피케 뭐고 때.
Oh nah. I hate Valentine's, man. I know.
아, 길이야.
No,
쳐라.
I don't. Bro.
차다가 뭐야? 뭐 줬어 말아 그 꼬리.
내 이거
Gilly,
하나.
what you doing?
What
What
you
are you
doing?
doing? Gilly, what are you doing? Come on, let's play. Wait, I need to. Kids, you never be patient. Okay, fine.
아니쇼, 아메쇼. 나밖에 할 오면 하려면 빨리 뽕.
Bro, what you doing?
나 거기
Why is your
원래
baby
길에
going with the
달래가.
freaking?
내가 까프라. 나도.
원래 뽕키면 살 포기야.
That's your brother.
나.
그다음
나.
내면에 레전 알라달라래 하다. 내가 내가 소리.
But why does
다 그러면 버리나 되면 해가지고 야.
every time babies are growing,
안단이 해
why do
소리
they
가면
look
돼.
like a little brother?
네 해도 이렇게 봐.
Every time, like little, you know, maybe like joined, or why do they look like little?
All about के हाल बाबा
हाथे बजाना
You know the little brother.
दिन चावल की है भाई
What?
हाँ दिन चावल
Señal lagi.
नहीं है भाई जी
Ya,
Karena memang mereka itu walau lagi nih